What's going on, guys? We're back at it with another one. Last night was absolutely amazing. Just launched the boat, and within 30 minutes or so I got that big 38-inch snook, and I was gonna actually put that footage into today's footage, but I felt that she deserved her own video, that big fish. Today we are out in the main river. It is a little windy and nasty out. I was actually up a lot earlier at like 6 a.m. but I was just way too cold. I couldn't get rid of the chill this morning. With this wind especially, it just went right to the bone. So I went back to bed. I was up to about 3:30 in the morning last night editing and uploading that video, the previous video of the big snook that I caught last night. So today we're gonna start out in the main river. We're gonna hit up a dock that I usually catch trout this time of year, and then we're gonna hit up some mangroves and broken seawalls, see if we can find any redfish or snook. And it looks like my battery's dying on my GoPro, so I'm gonna have to change that out real quick, and we'll see you soon. We're gonna start off with a 5-inch swim bait by Wyze tackle and sexy shad color. We're gonna flip this dock over here. There's usually some trout around. Sometimes redfish and snook are under this dock. So we're gonna use the trolling motor to get, this wind is blowing right into our face here, so it's gonna keep on knocking us back off this dock. So I'm gonna have to keep the trolling motor slightly on at a slow speed to kind of keep us right here. So I'm gonna make our first cast and see if we pull off a big trout skeet. Trout should be around right now, I would imagine. That wind's already messing us up. Just 2 casts in and we're being blown off the spot. Ugh. This weather should not be like this time of year. It should be bright and sunny and light wind. We have a weird weather pattern going on right now. A cold front came through late last night. Should help with the trout bite though. We just made it to this broken dock right over here. And I'm running a weedless hook so I can get pretty close to it. There's usually a lot of redfish that hang out around this area. All right, I think I'm gonna come around to the other side of this dock. I'm just trying to see if I'm in for pouring rain here. I don't know, maybe I should leave. So I really don't want to be in pouring rain. Last night they forecasted all this rain to be gone by like 7 a.m. And here it is about noon. And we're still in this fog, rain, and clouds. Yeah, and there's that rain. Man, I wonder if I'm gonna get poured on here. I hope not. I really hope not. Yeah, it looks like, you know what? It looks like I'm gonna have to go in right now, guys, because it looks like there's some pouring rain coming. Just gonna have to come back out later. It is what it is for now. So I'm gonna get off the camera and get back in before I get soaked and cold. We are back out. I ended up getting soaked before, so I changed my shirt. Also got a sweatshirt. Still pretty cool out. The rain has stopped as of now. It's not supposed to rain anymore today, but the wind has stayed. So we're just gonna stay in the creek today. I'm gonna try the areas where I tried last night where I got that big girl, but we're gonna continue with our Wyze tackle Bambino. And then afterwards, maybe we'll go into the back creek to see if anything's back there right now. So we'll see you in a minute. We're gonna start off right at this point right here. Flipping a Wyze Bambino 5-inch. I'll leave my link in the description for Wyze tackle. I'm using the Sexy Shad color. The water's still a little bit murky inside the creek, so I'm using a color that's a little brighter. And this wind is not good at all. I switched up to my glide bait, just not getting any love on the soft plastic, so we'll see if we can pull one off on the glide bait again. Oh my God, just got whacked again there. Gosh darn it. Seems like things are picking up maybe. Fish did not feel the hooks. Oh, there it is, right next to the boat again. Heck yeah, really nice, right next to the boat. Oh yeah, good fish. Not as big as yesterday, still a good fish. Burn and drag. Sometimes these lower 30-inch fish burn a lot more than the big girls. I gotta get out of here. Heck yeah. Get her out of this. Okay, maybe. All right, I think I got her out. Real pumped about this. She's fighting really good. Just gotta keep her out of the stuff. Real happy with this fish. Gotta drag her out of this so it doesn't. Oh, she came off. She came off. It's okay. Oh man, she came unbuttoned right there. I guess she had too much slack and she came undid. Well, that's what it is, guys. It is what it is. I literally fished 3/4 of the day And that was my only real eat that I had. Sick though. Real good fish, had her on for quite a bit. Must have gave her too much slack and she popped off on me. Well, I think I'm just gonna do literally a couple more casts, and after that, I'm gonna head in and clean up and get some dinner. Kind of a disappointment though. Oh my God, there was another one. Dang. Oh man, as soon as I twitched that glide bait, so I can get her to come back. I think she felt the hooks though, so I doubt it. All right, well, I got 2 bites in a row there. I had that one fish on and lost it after a few minutes, and then I just had a fish on right here that I lost in a matter of seconds. I know it's, oh wow. This is what happened to me. That's why I lost that snook before. Look at that, my split ring is gone. How about that? I can't believe that fish broke that split ring. This is a pretty tough split ring on this lure too. Interesting. Huh. All right. I do have another glide bait, so I'm going to put the other glide bait on. Okay, so initially after that fish I was going to go in, but I just got another bite coming in. That was a mullet. I just got another bite coming in, and I just lost my hook and split ring on my one glide bait. So I switched to this mullet glide bait, and we're going to do one more round out here. Things could have turned on all of a sudden, so I don't want to miss out on that. So we're going to bump up to a dock and let the wind blow us back like we just did, and see if we could pull off a snook last second here. I mean, that would be absolutely amazing if we could do that. All right, let's try it out. Just switched up to this little jerk bait here. Gonna switch it up to see if I can entice another bite. Oh my God, here he is, right next to the boat. What is it? It's a redfish. Little redfish right next to the boat on the jerkbait. How about that? Look at that. Check that out. Little tiny red on the jerk bait. Definitely gonna need pliers for that. It's nice. That's actually my first redfish on a jerk bait ever. Okay. Gotta be so careful with these treble hooks. All right, got him off. Look at that, just a little puppy redfish right there. That's sick though, on the jerk bait. Time to let him go. See ya. Sweet. It's starting to get dark now, and I'm losing energy, losing battery life on my GoPro, down to my last battery, and I only have like 10% left. Anyhow, very uneventful day, but a slightly eventful evening here. Lost that really big snook on my glide bait, and I don't know if I lost my split ring and hook to that snook or the one that I hooked just right over here to the right of me. But either way, it is what it is, and that's what happens when you go fishing. Switched to a jerk bait and ended up getting a small redfish and a couple other bites on the jerk bait. So, you know, can't complain. Fishing is fishing, and like I said, I don't care how skillful you are, it does lead to somewhat of luck. My luck was today. At least I didn't get the skunk. I had my chance at my big snook, and I landed that redfish. I'd like to thank you guys for watching this video, and my friends, always stay fishing, and we'll see you on the next one.